Dear students, today we are going to read lesson 7 of English text. Its name is A Gift of Chappals. In this chapter, you will get to know about the author of the chapter, summary of page number 51 and 52 and difficult words. This chapter is written by Vasant Surya. She was born in New Delhi in 1942. She is known for her investigative articles, English and Tamil poems, and children's stories. Some of her works are The Defiant Jungle, Mridu in Madras, and Place to Live, contemporary Tamil short fictions. Now, in the upcoming slides of this video, tells us the summary of some paragraph, which starts from A Smiling Rukumani on page number 51, and the last paragraph included in this video is on page number 52 on the right side of the page, which ends with He howled miserably, that is on page number 52. In this part of lesson we will read about Ravi, Meena, Mridu and a cat. Mridu came to their house and took off her slippers. Her slippers were grey, actually with dust. We can see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. Ravi quickly dragged her to backyard and he showed her a cat there. The cat was licking milk from a coconut shell. Ravi and Meena found the cat outside in the morning. They kept the cat secretly because their grandma didn't like it. According to Ravi and Meena, people are always telling us to be kind to animals, but when they scream, "Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here." That's why they hide it. He said to Mridu that their grandma didn't like that cat, and if she would get to know about that cat, that they hide the cat in the garden, she would leave them to their Paddu Mama's house. Ravi told her that it was not easy to get milk from the kitchen for that cat. Sometimes grandma caught him and kept on asking questions. He told her that the real name of cat is different and its name was Mahendran. Okay, its real name was Mahendran. So Ravi told her its full name. Its full name was Mahendra Varma Pallav Punne. And she was impressed. She asked, "Really?" He said, "He is a fine breed of cat." And Mridu laughed at him. He said that this cat was descendant of Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. They worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. He asked her, "Haven't been to Mahabalipuram? Have you?" He said mysteriously. He told her, "When our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his Tathas, 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 etc., etc. Fact is, Mahendran here has descendant from that very same ancient cat, a close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion." Here we completed the summary of first part, and now I am showing you some difficult words. You need to learn the spelling of these words. And the first word is protest, second scrawny, third drag, fourth tumbler, fifth suspicious, sixth amlum, seventh expectantly, and the eighth one is giggled, ninth mysteriously, 10th dynasty, 11th descendant, 12th stowaway, and 13th flourished. Now these are some words that you need to learn properly. Till then, please read the chapter carefully and learn the spelling of these words. In the upcoming videos, we will read the second part of this chapter. Okay.